Good morning, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to do a Dutch pour, but it's going to be a little bit different. I've seen a few other artists do what they've called a Starburst Dutch pour. So I just have a 12 by 12 inch canvas, and what I'm going to do is ring my paint on my canvas and then blow it out from the middle. And hopefully I get some nice cells. I have some of my favorite colors mixed up, so I'll be using orange, yellow, magenta, blue, white, and a little bit of gold. I'm not going to worry about doing a base coat of paint. I don't want it to get too muddy. So I'm just gonna start probably with either the white or gold in the middle and then use my other colors for the other areas. And I just have my nice little hair dryer here. This one has the nice little concentrator on the end, and with all the hair dryers that I've used a variety of them. This one so far is my favorite. So I'm just going to decide, I think I want to do gold in the middle, and then I'll do some white after that. But I think if we can get some of that gold blown out over some of the other colors, and I'm not going to add too much white. I'm going to mainly focus on some of those other colors. We're going to do a little bit more gold. And hopefully we'll get enough paint on here. I think we will. I mixed up quite a bit. I'll probably have enough for an entire Dutch pour, a second Dutch pour. So I may do a second one in another video with these. And I'm just starting with that blue, and then I'm going to add my magenta. And then from here, I'm going to do the orange and then the yellow. I definitely have a lot of blue left over. Just gonna try and move it a little bit. My middle was not center. There we go. And then we'll just do a little bit more white along the edges, just so all that paint moves. Okay, so obviously we have plenty of paint. I think hopefully it'll blow out nicely. We'll see how this looks. Wow. So I am getting some cells, but not a lot. I guess I'm not too concerned with that. I'm more just really liking the way that these colors have blended with each other. I've used my very first Dutch pour that I did. I used these colors, the blue, magenta, orange, and yellow, and I just absolutely love them. And I use them quite frequently, but when I get really nice blending of colors like this is the reason why. That blue and magenta makes some purple, and then the magenta into the orange and the yellow just makes a really beautiful color. I don't really like the gold, but I don't want to keep blowing it out, so I'm just gonna leave it as is. And I think in my next video I'll try either the next one or the one after. I don't know if I want to do two of these back to back, but I'm going to try this again and maybe just do the white and then the blue, or even just do the blue, orange, magenta, and yellow. But again, the way that these colors blend together is just one of my favorite things. So we'll let this sit, and I might get a little bit more cells popping up. My preference is just not to torch it. I just don't like the way that that looks, but you could always torch it to see if you could get some more cells to show up. but I'm just gonna leave this as is, and we will let this dry and get some nice pictures of this one. So I hope you guys like this video. It's definitely different for a Dutch pour, but it was really fun. I think you could do some really awesome colors with this. I'm also thinking of ways that I could do this, and because there's such a large amount of space in the middle with just that gold and white, to stencil over it. So this could be really fun for some stencil designs. Maybe we'll try that with the next one. I'll do some white in the middle, keep my colors, and then we'll stencil over it. So we'll see how that goes. But I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and if you want to see more like this in some other color palettes. And I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I do put out 3 videos a week, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching today.